If you're looking for a MIDI keyboard that has full-size weighted keys and all the functionality that you need in a MIDI keyboard, look no further, as the MIDI Plus Origin 37 keyboard has everything that you need to do a comfortable full production with a keyboard. The only thing that it lacks that some people may want is the drum pads. However, I myself prefer a separate unit for the drum pads. I use an MPC to control the drums as a separate unit, and I plug the MIDI keyboard through the MPC to control that. But this has more than what you need. There's 9 sliders, 8 knobs that can be assigned to any function that you want in your software. As you can see, there's the data entry slides, the MIDI select for the channels. You have your standard pitch bend and modulation wheels. And along the back, you have your MIDI in and out. So you can hook it through, like I said, the MPC or other units as a through function. Or you can hook it directly to the computer with the USB port. You can control it with batteries if you want, or stand alone through a USB port, or just through the computer powering it up. So there's 3 ways to power it up. But I would highly recommend this if you like full-size keys and not just the mini keys on the MIDI keyboards.